Hi, we are a group of high school students and we are trying to do something extraordinary. We are attempting to become the world's first youth organization to build a drone that carries human. This is Project LEELYN drone.
Let's be honest, we all hate being stuck in traffic, and the emissions are making our atmosphere stink. Also, waiting at stoplights takes up a lot of time. But with the LEELYN drone, you don't need to be stuck in traffic ever again, because there's plenty of space in the air. The aircraft itself is also fully electric, so there are zero emissions, keeping our atmosphere clean. Being able to fly also means your travel is as simple as takeoff, travel in a straight line, and landing at your destination.
Our design is a multi-rotor aircraft that's capable of lifting a person. Our goal is to achieve 25 minutes of flight time and carry over 180 pounds of payload, all keeping it at an affordable price.
Our project launched all the way back on September 20th. Throughout the past few weeks, our team has been working on this tirelessly for countless hours, finalizing designs, outreaching to media, sponsors, educators, building prototype aircrafts, and documenting the entire process. We publish progress update videos so you guys can stay up to date on our journey to revolutionize transportation.
The goal is to raise $25,000, which will be used to build a 1-to-1 scale prototype with full flight capability.
Since we are a youth organization, many people ask us why and what's the purpose. We answer them with our vision. If the future is in the sky, then we shall start right here, right now.